Hi, my name is Natasha Garcia. The online resource I'd like to introduce to you is a site called Seesaw. And Seesaw is an online digital portfolio. And the students have a variety of ways that they can show their learning. It's very engaging, student-driven, and just a lot of ability for the students to have the freedom to express what they learned, how they learned it best, and to teach others. So just real quickly, going in as a teacher to show you how to sign in. I sign in with my Google account. I actually have an extra class that I set up to show you how quickly and easy it is to get the students. So here is your student code. You have all the students type this in on that front page to invite them all into the classroom that you have set up for them. Another nice feature is that you could invite families to see the posts in their child's journal. Families can get notified about new posts. Also, if teachers want to communicate privately with the parents, they can through this site. So basically the journal can be divided by subject. I have different folders with different colors in the journal. So one for math, one for language arts, science, history, social art, etc. And they will go in, press on this green button to add a post to their student journal. So they can post a video, a photo, a video, they could do a drawing, they can add a link from Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Slides, iCloud. They can add all of these on here, make a note, they can add a file. Here's the Google Classroom that I was talking about. And then also these are the different activities that you can have your students complete. You can pose out a question like with Google Classroom and then all the responses are in one spot. You can do a daily announcement in the inbox and the students will get and respond privately. They cannot respond to each other. However, on their journals, they can like a post. They can also comment. So in the beginning of the year, we go over, expectations of what's an appropriate comment, how we have a constructive comment, a question that you may have that still lingers, or something that you could congratulate them on within their post. For 6th, 7th, and 8th grade at my school, 8th grade they need a whole portfolio of all their work and progression throughout the year. So this is just a nice way to keep everything organized. It can travel with them through middle school. They have all their work and you can kind of see the progression over the years. So hopefully this is something that maybe you could utilize within your own classroom. So I hope you get a chance to take a look.